Batla bo press
press Ms T Linoxi
a ntsha ntho na molomo mana utlwahala ntsha rola semonkwane moshimane wa ka rola semonkwane o tse utlwahala okay bilo amona o bitse sona tsa SABC a sore ke tla senka ke ma a tlo mona pela ka mo
ke batla kwa
oh potlaka ka pelenyana he ba
social distance
okay boy say le 12 o'clock ke na kwa ditaba prof o sa re metse mana
okay all right ntate Mtau mo president o tlo bua ona jwale ka mora mo president ga dithagola
President Ramaphosa
o tlo bua ona jwale
o taba ya bomme all right
me tla re ha qeta he be ga dithagola re ka kwana
thank you boy
re swere press re swere Ms T re swere Linoxi
ka o apereng hantle monna o motle monna
ke ntwa mo
ibe mme o la o bona mo mamedi yo motle ke nako ya go romamele ditaba
gaso yena ya ditaba go le Sedi FM o ikisetswa ke SABC News re ikemetse ha re kgethe nku kapere
ke o lebile Tau le Skuzabele mmamedi Khotso mokgatlo wa makomunisi SACP Freistata o ipileditse hore o gakulwe diphuputso tsa ka potlako tse
haebaneng ho na le bopaki bo ka ba fumanehang hore ho bile le kamano tse seng hantle ho awaduwa ditender tseno law enforcement agencies di nke di tse mosebetsi wa bona di prosecute batho bano haebaneng ho na le bopaki bo yang in that direction.
diphuputso tse ileng tsa gakolwa ke letona la mesebetsi ya setjhaba Patricia de Lille tse mabapi le ho hokelwa ha terata ya tshireletso e meutlwa le dibohong la Beitbridge di phethetswe mme kgothaletso ke hore bahlanka ba phahameng ba lefapha ba 14 ba nkelwe mehato ya kgalemo e ka bahlanka bana ba ile ba thunthetsa dipehelo tsa ho reka disebediswa nakong ya ho hokelwa ha terata ya bolelele ba dikilomitara tse 37 sephetho sa diphuputso se senotse ha ho bile le manyofonyofo a amangwang le bahlanka ba lefapha e ka sitana le baabi ba ditshebeletso letona di le kopile kantoro ya mohlahlobi e moholo wa dibuka tsa ditjhelete hore a fuputse tlaleo e tla fetisetswa mafapheng a molao dilile o re bohle ba molato ba tlankelwa mehato.
It has, however, found a number of alleged procedural irregularities within the department, which will become the subject of my attention in the weeks ahead to tighten up the internal controls within the department. I wish to assure the public that I have every intention ensuring that any official who is being found guilty of wrongdoing will be dealt with in the appropriate manner and will be held accountable.
Mapolesa Pretoria a fuputsa nyewe ya teko ya tlatlapo ho ba le dithunya le mahlahlelo ntle le tumello ya molao. Diphuputso di hlotswe ke ketsahalo e nyupileng ya teko ya ho tlatlapa lebenkele la mabenyane setsing sa mabenkele Centurion. Nakong ya tlhaselo e mong wa bareki o ile a thunya se seng sa dikebekwa. Batlatlapi ba bararo ba ile ba epela momo fatshe. Moelli wa sepolesa Dave Miller o re ba thakgotse letsholo la ho batla ba belaellwa.
The suspects was injured. 3 of the suspects fled the scene. The suspect that was injured was treated on the scene by paramedics and taken to hospital. At this stage, we are currently investigating a case of attempted business robbery, possession of unlicensed firearm, as well as ammunition. We are following up all available leads with regards to the whereabouts of the remaining 3 suspects.
Mooki ya le modima 57 wa Scottsburg KwaZulu-Natal o kgothaleditse ditlabotjha lekaleng lena la kalafo hore di shwele dikano thata ho le boima. Sister Tholakele Gumete ya tummeng ka ho bitswa Mabengu
this, making them laugh, making them forget just for a minute their problems. I'm treating them psychologically and emotionally. When they come to me, they talk to me about their problems. That is emotional. Then physically, the pill that the nurse is having, the job for the pill or for medicine will be very easy, will be smooth sailing, because this patient is now psychologically and emotionally
Wow, thank you so much, Hartambi Ensemble, for that lovely performance. I'm sure you'll agree with me that anthems always seem to move something in our
Mixed Nation, non-bossy, I'm Holy Press. Tenaka Ofela.
Of the noble goal of political and socio-economic equality. This year we commemorate 64 years since our gallant heroines, Joseph, Umama Lilian Goyi, Umama Rahima Musa, Umama Sophia Williams, and many more women stood up against the oppressive system of apartheid. The 20,000 women who gathered in Pretoria on the 9th of August in 1956 proved through words and, more importantly, through actions that watinta bafazi, watinta imbogoto. We commemorate the heroines of 1956 and seek to draw strength and inspiration from their deeds as we confront the scourge of gender-based violence, which is a blight not only to their legacies, but also to the Rainbow Nation envisaged by the architects of our Constitution. As women, we live with the daily knowledge that no space is safe for us because of this scourge. We urge women and society as a whole to partake in our initiative to ensure that there is no safe place for perpetrators of gender-based violence. We urge survivors and anyone who is aware of ongoing cases of gender-based violence to report them to the toll-free gender-based violence hotline on 0800 428 428. It is our collective responsibility to end the scourge of gender-based violence, and in recognition of this fact, the Mpumalanga provincial government will continue to work with stakeholders from all sectors to ensure that we create safer communities for our women and children. It is indeed an affront to the legacies of Omama Charlotte Maxeke and Albertina Sisulu to find women occupying a low percentage of senior managerial positions in Mpumalanga. For example, women occupy 36.4% of senior managerial positions in the provincial administration. My commitment is to implement gender parity during the course of this administration. We have started this process and have ensured that the female occupy 50% of accounting officer roles within the provincial government. There is a long journey ahead of us, but as Lao Tzu, once remarked, and I quote, open quote, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step," close quote. Ladies and gentlemen, we must also acknowledge the fact that the women are disproportionately affected by unforeseeable pandemics such as COVID-19 pandemic. The state of disaster declared by His Excellency, the President of the Republic, did slow the spread of the pandemic and flattened the curve. However, we must also acknowledge that the imposition of the lockdown has affected the livelihood of millions of women in both the formal and informal sectors. To this effect, and in an effort to empower women and address the legacies of economic oppression, the Mpumalanga provincial government will prioritize the extension of strategic support to youth and women-owned SMMEs. We will do this by expanding our initiatives in the agricultural economy, by extending support and prioritizing funding to female-owned commercial farming enterprises through the Fortune 40 Incubation Program. Through these initiatives, we will expedite the development of young and female entrepreneurs within the agricultural sphere. Furthermore, through Youth Development Fund that we have established with a 50 million endowment, we will prioritize female-owned enterprises when evaluating entities to which funding and strategic support will be granted. Ladies and gentlemen, we are fully aware of the magnitude of the task bestowed upon our generation of leaders in striving for gender parity whilst ensuring the safety of our women and children. But vested in all of us in the fortitude of Umama Winnie Madikizela Mandela and the indomitable spirit of Nokuthula Simelane, it is our responsibility to ensure that their sacrifices were not in vain. Now more than ever, we must personify the adage that Mosadi Utshwara Thipa ka bohaleng. We must endeavor to be the change we wish to see in the world. That means that we must be central to any discourse and affirm the position that dictates that nothing about us without us. As we honor our strong women, may we strive to know them, to be them, and to raise them. With this being said, I wish to join the millions of South Africans and wish our women a happy Women's Day. I thank you.
Thank you so very much, Premier Mzweni Tsipane, for the opening remarks. We shall receive messages of support from our esteemed ministers, starting with the Minister of Women, Youth and People with Disabilities, Mayor Maita Nkwane Mashabane. A message will then be followed by Minister Nathi Mthethwa from Sports, Arts and Culture.
Program Director, Your Excellency, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, President of the Republic of South Africa, Honorable Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Mr. Nathi Mthethwa, Honorable Premier of Mpumalanga Province, Ms. Refilwe Mzweni Tsipane, distinguished guests, I'm pleased to join you as we celebrate National Women's Day 2020 under the theme Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Rights for an Equal Future. This year, we celebrate this important day under difficult circumstances due to COVID-19. Ladies and gentlemen, while the generation of 1956 faced different challenges under the apartheid system and colonization, the current generation is confronted with similar challenges under different circumstances. These include patriarchy, poverty, gender-based violence, and more. Despite progress made in achieving women empowerment in the last 26 years, challenges remain. Gender-based violence and femicide continues to be a shame to our nation. Our clarion call to all South Africans is to do their part to end gender discrimination and gender-based violence and femicide. We demand justice and harsh sentences for the perpetrators of gender-based violence and femicide. Fellow South Africans, we need to redouble our efforts to promote economic and financial inclusion of women. There cannot be total emancipation of women without the full participation of women in our country. We also need to reclaim our space internationally, and working together, we will achieve this. Let us rally behind women, girls, and women with disabilities to advance their rights in their political, economic, social, cultural spheres. Let us join hands and say no to patriarchy, gender-based violence, and femicide, and economic exclusion of women. Let's invest in women entrepreneurship to grow our country's economy. We need to support the continued strengthening and further development of women's capacity in leadership, management, ownership, and entrepreneurship. Ladies and gentlemen, let us use this year's commemoration to recommit our country to a society where boys and girls, men and women, young and the elderly, and everyone is free to walk everywhere in our country. Happy Women's Day. Malibongwe.
Program Director, His Excellency President of the Republic, President Ramaphosa, Minister in the Presidency, Minister Nkwana Mashabane, Deputy Minister Mkhize, Ministers and Deputy Ministers here present, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, fellow South Africans, I extend my warmest greetings to all of you. The circumstances of our day, the challenges of our time forces us to gather in a manner we did not anticipate this year or this time last year. The whole world has been turned upside down by the challenges of coronavirus pandemic. However, the resilience of humanity will conquer this challenge. In order for us to do so, we need to observe all the health protocols by the World Health Organization. We have gathered here this morning to celebrate Women's Day under the theme Realizing Women's Rights for an Equal Future, which is embedded within the Global Generation Equality Campaign, as well as the contextual factors in our country. Women's Day 2020 takes place in the context of dual pandemics of COVID-19 and gender-based violence and femicide, which has underlined the urgent need to more decisively deal with the legacy of structural oppression to accelerate the transformation of our society. This includes the transformation of unequal power relations between women and men and addressing gender oppression, patriarchy, sexism, racism, ageism, adopted in 1952.
On realizing women's rights for an equal future. At this juncture, I'd like to introduce Mayor Gertrude Shope to deliver a message on women, peace, and security.
Your Excellency, President Ramaphosa, Minister in the Presidency, Maite Nkwana Mashabane, distinguished guests, and fellow South Africans, thank you for giving me this great honor to salute and greet all of the women of our country in their diversity on this National Women's Day. Thanks to the struggles of yesterday, today we look with pride at many women playing leadership roles that we could not even imagine in our days. We also take this moment to thank the men and women of Africa and the world who supported our struggles in diverse ways and for many years. Thank you for the important roles played by different women in the new struggles against COVID-19. The COVID-19 has increased the incidences of gender-based violence, which was already unacceptably high. It has also made the life of people living with disabilities more difficult. Thanks to our president, government, civil society, and women in communities who are addressing these challenges. Our deepest condolences go to the loved ones of those who lost their lives in the new battle. Finally, congratulations to the Ahmed Kathrada and Sophie Dubrain Foundations for the project to recognize more of the women of the 1956 march to the Union buildings. On my part, I will be adding to the 2 Malibongwe booklets that recognize different women who played a role in support of our democracy. I thank you.
Thank you, Mayor Shope, for your enlightening message. As I highlighted earlier, I'll be moderating this virtual program, which involves a panel discussion. I'm joined in studio by outstanding South African women who will today engage the nation on women-centered issues. I would love to welcome and introduce to you our esteemed panelists, whose discussions will inform the President's address at a later stage during the program. With me today, I have Ms. Nomasonto Mazibuko, who will talk to disability rights, including persons with albinism. I have Ms. Masutane Mojaji from the South African Federation for Mental Health, and she'll address the impact of COVID-19 on women's mental health. The moderator today is Deputy Minister in the Presidency for Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities, Professor Hlengiwe Mkhize, looking beautiful in green. We want to commemorate, we want to celebrate, but we have to dig deep. And we're digging deep today as we talk about mental health, especially in the times that we're facing with COVID-19. Ms. Masutane Mojaji, I'm sure that the SA Federation for Mental Health has been inundated, especially in a time like this.
Thank you, Romy, and definitely, yes. We are living in unique times where everybody is just overwhelmed by the impacts of the COVID-19, especially on their mental well-being. So this has not only affected people with pre-existing disabilities, all of us, because we are affected by the pandemic, we are one way or another impacted mentally. That being said, we are encouraging communities to do what they can to look after their mental well-being during this time, check up on people who are experiencing mental health problems. There was a global study that was conducted by the United Nations Population Fund in 2018. And that study found that women with disabilities, and I'm speaking disabilities in general, including psychosocial and intellectual disabilities, are 10 times more likely to experience domestic violence, gender-based violence, unlike women without any disabilities.
Is it more so during this time, or are these stats continuously on the rise, regardless of the pandemic?
I think in South Africa, we've seen that, during the early stages of the lockdown that started in March, there were already shelters that were reporting that they're experiencing an influx of women who are seeking shelters as a result. GBV in itself is a social risk for developing a mental health problem. So it's important that whatever information and services are available for mental health are available and accessible to women in shelters. That being said, again, we as the South African Federation for Mental Health, we work with 17 mental health societies. They are providing direct services to communities, and they've been working consistently to provide an excellent model of mental health services in the communities.
She said a mouthful there, Ms. Mojaji, in terms of just overstretched during this time. But I love also what she said is, we don't check in with each other. How are you doing? DM, how are you doing?
I'm good. Would you like me to?
Yes, please.
Yeah, thank you very much for introducing us to such an important issue. I'm just interested in gender equality aspects of it. Do you think girls and women suffer more from mental health problems as they tend to be caregivers and they do more, they check on other people?
Absolutely, Deputy Minister. I think girls and women, especially in the rural areas, are more as vulnerability is increased because of social factors such as domestic violence as well at home, poverty, ill health. This increases their likelihood of developing mental health problems as a result. And this is one of the things that was mentioned in a government document, the National Mental Health Policy Framework and Strategic Plan 2013 to 2020. It comes to an end this year, so we need to reflect on that. But what it flagged and identified was the need to improve equitable allocation of resources and also just increase access to mental health services so that these women, especially those who find themselves in rural areas, can have an ongoing access to mental health services when they need and they know where to go. And this is an area where we are hoping government will be able to lead us in terms of policy development and implementation and coordinating consultations across sectors. We're hoping government will be able to lead us with that so that we can at least have an equal allocation of resources so that women also are able to access this as and when they need.
Very, very important.
Yeah, just a quick one for me. I'm sitting Kanyamazane. I have Gogo Mang Mang, who is Isangoma. I have a woman of Umanyan. How do we ensure that those community resources are able to assist vulnerable people within a community?
Definitely, we have community-based organizations, non-governmental, that are providing excellent services and are available to assist, but then they lack the capacity, they lack the resources, and then they lack also even the information and the support. And I think this is an area that also needs to be strengthened, and that we offer them the support so that they are able to provide this kind of services, mental health services, to this woman in Kanyamazane who's looking for that at a place closer to where she lives or where she works.
There's some really great work being done on the ground. It is said that 1 in 6 South Africans are affected by mental illness in some way or form. Let's hear now from Ms. Nomasonto Mazibuko, disability rights, including persons with albinism.
Thank you very much. And I would say it is a pleasure to be on the same panel with the deputy minister who has been appointed to be our champion. And that it means she will need more education. Let me speak about albinism. Albinism is a condition. People with albinism have different kinds of the skin and they are visually impaired. But the point that I want to put across is that both parents who don't have albinism are not aware why they get this child with albinism, where you find now the woman is blamed for bringing this curse into the family. The woman is blamed to have slept with a person who is not the right partner or the husband. So women with albinism suffer in silence. I'm happy she's speaking of Wanyamazana. The woman in Wanyamazana is suffering in silence. Inequality in this country is not only on women. As we speak COVID-19, we don't know if the sanitizers were manufactured with the thought of people with albinism. Our skin is sensitive. We were together with the deputy minister, launching the voices of visually impaired and blind women. Those women are not looked after, even if when they go and report GBV, the people in the police station still want to know if we are socially and physically involved in sexual activities. Why are we looked as if we are objects and not people? We're happy to be South Africans. Can our voices be heard? Can we work together? Minister, we want to work with you. We don't want to be an afterthought to say, by the way, this policy speaks about women. What about women with disabilities? We would like to make the president aware that as he is chairing the AU, people with albinism need to be protected in whatever that you're going to achieve, because we killed as girl children and women in Africa. And we're saying, can we unite in putting across that people with albinism, their body parts do not have any muti, and we don't have extra power to give you luck as you're moderating this panel today.
I think you raise a good point there, Ms. Mazibuko, as a person living with albinism, that I think it's more, Deputy Minister, of a woman being differently abled as opposed to disabled.
Yeah, I think we have to maybe go back to our commissioner there, Mazibuko, in terms of really how do we ensure that younger women today are prepared to speak out, are prepared to record their experiences of marginalization, of being treated differently, long even before they disappear from communities, long before even they are attacked.
The theme of the United Nations says, bridging the generation gap. I think as we sit here as older women, we have seen how older women have looked down on younger women. Let me cite the issue of divorce. When a young woman gets married, it is the older person who says, your place at the home is now finished. You belong to them kisses as a Mazibuko. And you don't expect it. And when this young woman, the marriage doesn't work, it is the very older women who ridicules the young women. I heard you speak about the Sangoma and the church. The church doesn't allow young women to come into Manyano and say, I didn't make it in this marriage, so can I be accepted? I think it is this year that we are going to have action and speak to all those areas that are very sensitive of a woman who has a disability, of a woman who has albinism, to be accepted fully and not be thought about. And what is very difficult is the mental health that is not looked after. How many of us, as she has said, have we checked on one another since COVID?
Ms. Mazibuko raises really good points, and I think, Deputy Minister, there's also a tapestry here. There's such links, especially between mental awareness. We're talking about disability, but it's the same. I love how the Commissioner said that the Deputy Minister, you are the champion. You're the champion for women, for children. Is the load you bear, is it overbearing, or do you feel You are the champion. You are the difference. You are the agent of change.
I see all of us as agents of change. We can no longer drag the discussion and say people should continue to disappear, to be discriminated against, to be attacked. The question is, how do we ensure that within the next 5 to 10 years, we see concrete results whereby a person's rights are realized and respected by all? It's a burden upon all of us, the system as a whole, that, you know, for instance, when Commissioner Mazibuko mentions the kind of sanitizers that are suitable for sensitive skins. So I could see a coalition also with manufacturers. So the needs of persons with disability or people with albinism, they are not limited to the rights only, but we have to look at manufacturing, we have to look at power, economic inclusion, we have to look at energy issues, and so it broadens the space which we should occupy. You know, the point I was interested in also from Ms. Mazibuko is a question of the criminal justice system. Because really at the end of the day, we all say, when you think about government, you think about the police, the courts, and so on. What do you think we should do to empower the police in such a way that women who come to the police station are not asked the same questions, secondary victimization, in terms of how certain are you that this person did that to you? Because that must be devastating for women.
Yes, Deputy Minister, the first thing is to employ people with disabilities themselves. SAPS has integrated, there is a unit that is called vulnerable groups, but most of the police stations don't have the designated rooms for people who have been abused. If I come as a deaf person, there must be a sign language interpreter. Always saying, let's work together. Policies are there. We don't want to be reading, they are gathering dust. As we speak right now, policies need us to go and implement. It is the time for government to implement. Government cannot implement by its own. It's going to implement with us.
Commissioner, I love what you said. It doesn't just fall on the Deputy Minister, but collectively, we as women of South Africa standing together to be those change agents. If you take a look at worldwide statistics, 400 million people are affected by mental illness. And if you take a look at the stats of GBV, only 1 in 9 cases goes reported. Due to COVID-19, we would have loved to have a huge panel discussion, keeping our social distances with no masks, in order for you to be able to hear us. When we come back, our next panelists join us. This time, Judy Nokwedi talks about money within a household, and how women drive the economy, however, still earn less than men. And a GBV survivor talks about how she lives and breathes today, and GBV, how it's affected her life. We continue to commemorate Women's Day this Sunday right here. And albeit different due to COVID-19, we'd like to thank Ms. Mazibuko as well as Ms. Mojaji for their insights shared. Joining our panel now is Judy Nokwedi, talking about women, economic empowerment and financial inclusion. She's the SG at the Black Business Council. And after that, we will be joined virtually by our gender-based violence activist and survivor as she shares her story. Deputy Minister Hlengiwe Mkhize is still here with us. Judy, a warm welcome to the panel. It's really good to have you in your bright, vibrant yellow. Happy Women's Day. Do I say Happy Women's Day? Can we use the word happy? If you take a look at, yes, the strides we've made, but that there's still so much that needs to be done, especially from an economic empowerment front.
There is nothing happy for women in South Africa. We've not been happy for many, many years. And the gains that we've made since the Beijing meeting 25 years ago, we've seen a gradual erosion year on year. when it comes to the economic status of women, especially in the area of empowerment and financial inclusion. So I want to share a very little quick story with you, and I dedicate the story to Ntombi. It is her story. A grandmother is teaching a child about life, and she says, there is a terrible fight going on inside of me, and it is between two wolves, a good wolf and a bad wolf. And the grandchild looks up at Gogo and says, Gogo, which wolf wins? And the grandmother, the Gogo, says, it is the one you feed. So a few days ago, I bumped into Ntombi. She's been working in a business in my neighborhood for more than 20 years. She's a young woman who always has a radiant smile, a sort of up-tempo beat. She was withdrawn, she was sad, and she was totally depressed, in a total state of despair. There are 20 women who work in this business, and it's a sector where women, dominated by women. And she says only 10 of them are allowed to work at a time. She does not know how she's going to pay her rent moving forward. She does not know how she is going to feed her children. She's always worked in the informal sector in Dobsonville to supplement her income. And she has identified a fantastic business opportunity, a niche product that has a huge market in the township. She needs money to start the business. And she said, Wena Judy, you are with the Black Business Council. I hear on the radio all the time that there are funds for women. How do I access money? So we at the Black Business Council, in the women's formation, the Women's Alliance, we have a very, very clear vision around how you protect women. It is this simple. You put cash in the hands of women, you protect women. Black women do not have credit. They don't have access to savings. They do not have trust funds, and they don't have investments. So it is important that we have access to markets, that we have access to funding and finance, and very, very importantly, if women do not have land and they don't have title deed, then they are left to the vagaries and to the prey of men who demand transactional sex, and they become subjects of gender-based violence. So we as the Black Business Council are very clear, put cash in the hands of women. And we want a South African economy that is led by Black business-owned women, small, medium, and large.
It's a beautiful story that you tell, especially of you being a beacon of hope for Ntombi, where she went for those resources. But I think the touch points here are clear, Deputy Minister, in the need for Black women in this country.
Yeah, I think the starting point is to really say, yes, we still have to say Happy Women's Day, because that is not about us. With regard to economic inclusion, government has put in place so many policies which are meant to ensure, to fast track the inclusion of those who were left out before. Now we're talking about a district development model where we say that's where we should locate our projects, our opportunities, and so on, so that those women who don't come any closer to any business association are not left behind. The question is, what do we do differently so as to ensure that those women in rural areas at a district level are assisted to enter areas like agribusiness, the whole ecosystem, and to give them that sense of hope that much as the progress has been slow, but there's a determination, there's a political will, there's a commitment to make sure that they come out of the circumstances they find themselves in.
I like that. I like that the common thread is hope. I said that you were the beacon of hope for Ntombi. Are you hopeful, just based on, the landscape that the Deputy Minister has painted?
For me personally, hope is a very disempowering concept, because what are you going to hope for? It has to move beyond hope. And I'm glad the Minister has very clearly alluded to the policy framework, the district devolution model. And in your previous panel, it was very clearly outlined. The challenge is not around getting policies and regulations in place. We have it all in place. So the big bad wolf in South Africa at the moment is procurement, because procurement is the single most powerful lever to unlock potential and opportunities for women. And all along our roads leading to Zimbabwe, leading to Mozambique, leading to Botswana, those roads tell you the picture of how women trade in the informal sector. And so at the BBC, we are very clear around the development of township and rural economies, village economies. Is it not ironic that we could have and we should have used COVID to completely re-engineer our supply chain and our enterprise development, so that when we talked about deep cleaning of schools, when we talked about the provision of masks, gloves, etc., in villages and in townships, why is it that we did not provide opportunities at that level for township women? This is the opportunity. There's no rocket science. It doesn't require us to redo anything. It just requires us to get rid of feeding the bad wolf. Do you know, I mean, I am flabbergasted that the Central Supplier Database only procured to the tune of 35 billion from black business, out of a total spend of, guess what, 1.2 trillion. Now, when you disaggregate the 53 billion, we cannot get a sex disaggregated number. So I know I'm getting very emotional, and I was told to be calm on this interview, but it's very hard to be calm.
You're passionate, and that's fine.
I'm slightly angry. You know, we don't have collateral as black women. So the collateral is cash. Put cash in our hands, because cash feeds our children. Cash educates our children, because the public service facilities don't work. And Ntombi needs a public service that works for her and all the other Ntombis in this country. It requires a deliberate resolve to say, we are going to feed the good wolf.
What is your
I'm
message?
going to calm down now.
Thank you, Judy. What is your message to the Ntombis and everybody watching today, Deputy Minister?
I think we all agree. Government is the biggest supplier of goods in any country. The question is, I think, taking from what Judy is saying, how do we ensure that we move beyond having policies that accommodate women, youth, and persons with disability, but that in action we deliberately ensure that the actual opportunities are allocated to women directly? I need to emphasize there is a commitment and a political will to ensure that we use the next decade for greater impact and for an equal future.
I think Ms. Mazibuko said it well as well, the change agents. We are those change agents, from passion to a woman who has endured pain, our gender-based violence survivor and activist who has requested to remain anonymous, digs deep as she shares with us her moment of pain.
Mina okwenzeka kimi okwangivisa ubuhlungu and bengingaboni leso sikhathi, ngangihlala nobaba, umntwana am-abuse kabuhlungu, ngithula, and ngoba bengingazi ukuthi ngizokushonaphi, ngithula, and ngoba be-abuse umntwana lona, mina ngibona ukuthi akangibeki isandla, akangishayi, bengingakuboni ukuthi kuyinkinga ngalamanye amagama. Athi noma ambethile umntwana, amshaye kabuhlungu, ngimbona ukuthi umntwana akasi-right, ngingathathi i-action ngoba angazi ukuthi ngizokwenzani, angazi ukuthi ngizokushonaphi, ngibekezela konke lokhu. Umntwana abethwa, ahlukunyezwa, athukwa, nami angithuka, angibiza ngawo onke amagama, aphinza athi nathi uyagculisa, ngingabi nenkinga ngoba ngingazi ukuthi ngizokuyaphi, ngoba ngesikhathi isimo sokuhlupheka siyakwenza. Ngibonga ukuthi ukukhanya sengikubonile ukuthi ngingavumeli ukubekezelela into engasi-right. Ngamane ngilale ngingakahle, kunekuthi ngibekezelele kuhlupheka, akubuhlungu. ukuswela. And nesikhathi nawuswela uthola nemindeni lonayo eceleni ikujikela ingasakufuni. Ugcine wena ngasikhathi shoti nguwe lokuthengisa ngomntwana. Enesigcino umntwana wenzani leso sikhathi ugcine uyakuzonda. Kubuhlungu kona. But ngibonga ukuthi ngigcine sengiyibonile into leyo ngabe sesengiyaphuma lapha. Kakhona ukuthi ngizizamele nami ngibone ukuthi ngibone ukuthi ngihlanganisa njani ukuthi umntwana abe right.
We salute our gender-based violence activist and survivor for the bravery it took to share with us all her story today. Deputy Minister, a story we've heard today, but a story that we continue hearing in South Africa about the constant abuse of women and children.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi umama ukwazile ukuthi aphuze amanzi akhulume ngento edlule kuyo ngoba izosiza omama abaningi. Kuhle umuntu asukume azimele ngamanye amagama njengalabo omama baka 1956 kumele umuntu asukume alwe asifune ukuthi ubani afune ukuthi yini angazenzela yona. Kodwa into enhle futhi ukuthi nohulumente wethu uningi asekubekile emphakathini okusiza umama osefuna ukusukuma. Njengalezi zindawo abakwazi ukuthi basuswe bayohlala kuzo ziyasiza ngoba umuntu upholisa ikhanda. Uba nesikhathi sokuyicabanga kahle lento ukuthi nizophuma kanjani kuyo yini engazenzela yona. Ngokwami ke ngibone ngathi masikhuthaze omama abaningi ukuthi uma uhlukumezwa ukuthula kuyokucindezela nokwedlula. Into enkulu ukuthi ukhulume, into enkulu ukuthi ufune usizo. Nama police station wethu manje awasekho lapha bekhona izolo abebefika bangavumi nokuvula icase bethi hayi umkhwenyana wakho. Upresident wethu wathi ngisho ama cases ayingathathwanga kudala mawavulwe. Sokukuningi ke osekubekiwe nje uhulumeni kokulwa nalolu dlame esikhuluma ngalo. Kumele thina sisukume singabomama nentsha yethu nobaba njoba nabo baba basukumile kakhulu bathi akuzukwenzeka lento egameni labo.
We have heard from our panelists, and they have indeed highlighted a myriad of issues that affect the women today and also have potential to hinder their development if not addressed. The discussion opens up dialogues on how we, as a nation, government, and relevant organizations, advance the realization of women's rights for an equal future. I will now usher the platform to the President himself during these difficult times to deliver the 2020 Women's Day keynote address.
Women of South Africa, on this Women's Day, I greet you, the inheritors of the noble legacy of the women of 1956. 64 years ago, our mothers, daughters, sisters, and grandmothers, and great-grandmothers stood defiant and proud, united in their demand to live in freedom. They stood not for themselves alone, but for the rights of the generations of women yet to come. This day provides all of us with an opportunity to reflect on the road we have traveled as a nation since then. As a country, we have made much progress that we can be proud of. We have made gains in advancing women's rights, in broadening women's access to education, in the provision of health care and social support to women, and in improving their participation in the economy and decision-making. At the same time, we know that the lived reality for millions of South African women is very different to the promise that is contained in our Constitution. We know that millions of South African women still live in conditions of poverty and unemployment. they face discrimination and violence all the time. To give effect to our commitment to the upliftment of women, South Africa has joined Generation Equality, a global campaign to achieve gender equality by 2030. As part of this campaign, we are part of two action coalitions, one on economic justice and rights, and the other on gender-based violence and femicide. These action coalitions mobilize governments, civil society, and the private sector for collective action. They give us an opportunity to work with other world leaders to achieve real change in the lives of women across the globe. As we mark Women's Day this year, South Africa is in the grip of two pandemics, the coronavirus pandemic and the scourge of gender-based violence and femicide. Ever more women and children are being abused and losing their lives at the hands of men. It cannot be that this Women's Day is drenched in the tears of families who have lost their sisters, their daughters, and mothers to violence that is perpetrated by South African men. This cannot continue. We can no longer, as a nation, ignore the deafening cries of women and children for protection, for help, and for justice. It has been 11 months since I addressed a joint sitting of Parliament to announce an emergency response action plan to combat gender-based violence and femicide. Since then, we have taken concrete actions to provide greater support and care to survivors of gender-based violence. We have increased the number of shelters and care centers for survivors and improved the capacity of our police to deal with the crimes of gender-based violence. We have made important progress in reforming our laws to give greater protection to survivors of domestic and sexual violence. We now also have a national strategic plan, which, among other things, aims to promote women's economic inclusion. One of the most important ways to reduce the vulnerability of women to gender-based violence is to enable them to become financially independent. With the launch of Generation Equality and with the implementation of the National Strategic Plan, we have a unique opportunity to refashion our society and the lives of the women of our country. We have an opportunity to build a country in which women's rights to dignity, to security, to safety, and to protection is not negotiable. It requires bold and measurable actions by government, civil society, the private sector, and all actors for meaningful change. Today, we commit to a new social compact with the women of this country, informed by our collective commitment to gender equality. This will be driven by bold actions. The first action is to expand the access of women to economic opportunities. We will do this, amongst other things, by setting aside up to 40% of public procurement for women-owned businesses. We now expect national departments in government to monitor and to report on how many women have participated in each public procurement process. They will have to develop clear plans on how they will broaden women's participation over the next 12 months. As the chair of the African Union, we will also be working on policy guidelines to to help member states on our continent to develop similar interventions. The second action is to support women who operate small and micro businesses, including those who operate in the informal sector. Lack of access to financial services, as well as digital identification, tends to limit the participation of women and their ability to conduct business. Under Generation Equality, we will be supporting African Union member states in their drive to adopt digital IDs. We will engage the financial sector to strengthen efforts to make financial services accessible and affordable for women in South Africa. The third action is to speed up the process of giving women access to productive assets, such as land. We will ensure that our own land reform process favors all historically disadvantaged people, including women, in getting land and the means to farm it. Of the 75 million rand in COVID-19 relief earmarked for farming input vouchers, 53% of the beneficiaries will be rural women. We must ensure that women, subsistence, and small-scale farmers continue to receive support beyond the lockdown that we are going through now. At the same time, we will be calling on the African Union member states to put policies in place to increase women's ownership of land to 30%. Our fourth action is to ensure that women are safe from gender-based violence in the workplace. Through Generation Equality, we will work at a national and regional level towards the ratification of the International Labour Organization Convention on Violence and Harassment in the Workplace. The urgency of achieving gender equality has never been greater than now. The coronavirus has left none of us untouched, but it is those who already face economic insecurity, poverty, discrimination, and exclusion who have been hardest hit. To support the fight against gender-based violence, the Solidarity Fund has approved a 17 million rand project to expand shelter services and support the network of Tutuzela care centers. A portion of this funding will also go towards capacitating the Gender-Based Violence Command Center to ensure women are not made more vulnerable during the lockdown. We have put mechanisms in place, not just for social support, but also to help women-owned businesses. Of the 12.6 million people who have received social grants during the month of June, 10.5 or 83% were women who are aged 16 years and older. As of this week, about 1.4 million South African women have received the special COVID-19 social relief of distress grant. The food parcels distributed through the Department of Social Development and the Solidarity Fund have reached just over 1 million families, among them women-headed families. In the second round of food relief, the fund will distribute this month in the form of vouchers. Some 40 to 50% of the target beneficiaries will be women. COVID-19 relief is also being provided to women-owned SMMEs through our development finance institutions. For example, of the total number of SMMEs benefiting from the Debt Relief Finance Scheme, 33% are women-owned businesses. The Industrial Development Corporation, the IDC, has also directed a significant portion of its funding approvals to supporting youth and women-empowered businesses. We have prioritized Black-owned and women-owned businesses in the procurement of personal protective equipment. There has been a number of success stories of women either starting businesses to produce personal protective equipment or modifying existing business operations. We are deeply concerned about the corruption that has marred our national effort to make PPEs accessible to our hard-working social and health workers. We expect the law enforcement agencies to find the culprits and ensure they face the full might of the law. This pandemic has demonstrated our ability to support the greater economic participation of women in real terms. This good work must not end when the pandemic is over. We must maintain the momentum. The generation of 1956 mobilized, organized, and stood firm in their demands for their rights to be respected. The women who, in the recent past, have taken to the streets demanding an end to gender-based violence and femicide carry forward the flame of that struggle that the mothers, the sisters of 1956 embarked upon. Under generation equality, we want to see women's full empowerment achieved by this generation within a generation. This is our responsibility as a nation. It is our goal. If we each play our part, we can make this happen. The time for talk is over. This is now the time for action. I wish all the women of South Africa a happy Women's Day. I thank you, and I wish you the very best.
Thank you so much, Mr. President, for your intriguing address. It's comforting and also such a relief for us women to hear encouraging and assuring words from the President, especially during these difficult times exacerbated by the pandemic. Women's circumstances have been made worse, not only financially, but some are not feeling safe, confined in their homes. It has been great listening to the President touch on the sub-themes raised by our panelists earlier and endorsing the women's agenda. I'd like to reiterate that it has been a privilege to moderate a panel of women who have taken over the baton from the women of yesteryear and continue to advance issues of women for equality and equity in the 21st century South Africa. With consistency and tenacity, we shall certainly realize women's rights for the development of our country. We've come to the end of our program, and I will emphasize that it is every citizen's responsibility to work hard towards realizing women's safety, development, and ensure women enjoy their basic rights in their country. We can indeed then be a generation equality practically, not only on the constitutional document. In our closing virtual program for 2020 Women's Day commemoration, more beautiful performances by beautiful Mzansi women will follow. From me, Romy Titus, have a happy Women's Day.
Women of Africa are strong. I'm a Korsika, say Africa. Hanamata, women of Africa belong. I'm a Korsika, say Africa. Women of, women of, women of, women of Africa. Women of, women of, women of, women of Africa. The time has come to stand as one. I'm across I say Africa, Panamanda, a brand new future has begun. I'm across I say Africa, Panamanda, women of, women of, women of, women of Africa, women of, women of, women of, women of Africa, women around the world. We stand as one. Together we can show just what can be done. Your warm and caring ways, and we need you. Your strength and dignity will carry us through. Women of, women of, women of, women of Africa, women of, women of, women of, women of Africa. Abafazi, Paramanda. Abafazi, Paramanda. Happy Women's Day, my sisters. What can I say? We found ourselves living in a strange, strange world this 2020. But this is our month, and together we will carve another deep groove in women's rights in South Africa. I wish all of you the best Women's Day, and let us stay together where our voices are being heard, and may they be heard louder and louder. We have been given this incredible platform from those women who marched on the Union buildings in 1956, led by Sophia de Bruyn. And what can I say? As the young people come up, they are being heard, they're being stronger. And whilst we are amidst a crisis with women abuse and gender-based violence, we must not forget that we, abafazi banamandla, babatinta bafaz, wabatinta bagoto, never forget. Women of Africa, women of, women of, women of, women of Africa.
Jeff Makubu, after extensive interviews and examination of the evidence before it, the PIC cleared Comrade Jeff of any conflict of interest. The PIC findings is that although they could not establish that the two mayors were involved in any acts of corruption, the PIC recommends that Comrade Boise Maneli and Comrade Mapifo Letsie should be held accountable for failure to take action against officials.
Mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa o re mmuso o tla etsa bonnete ba hore o sebedisa bonyane diperesente tse 40 kgwebong tsa basadi. Ramaphosa o phatlaladitse sena ha ne a tshetleha puo ya ho keteka letsatsi la basadi ka meralo ya sejwalejwale ya dikgokahano. Ramaphosa o re basadi ba ka phema tlokotsi ya ho hlekefetswa ke banna ha fela ba ka fuwa monyetla wa hore ba kgathe tema moruong le hore ba be le boikemelo ba ditjhelete.
The first action is to expand the access of women to economic opportunities. We will do this, amongst other things, by setting aside up to 40% of public procurement for women-owned businesses. We now expect national departments in government to monitor and to report on how many women have participated in each public procurement process. They will have to develop clear plans on how they will broaden women's participation over the next 12 months.
Mokgatlo wa Makomonisi SACP Freistata o ipileditse hore ho gakolwe diphuputso tsa ka potlako tse mabapi le a bua dithendara tsa ho reka diphahlo tsa tshireletso. Kgoeletso ena e hlotswe ke ditlaleho tsa morao tse reng mahata mmoho le mongodi e moholo wa ANC Ace Magashule a unne molemo dithendareng tsa matsebetsebe a diranta. Ho thwe bara ba babedi ba Magashule ke ba bang ba batho ba ntseng ba imona menwana ka morao hore ba belwe dithendara tsa bokgothokgotho ba diranta. Motlatsi wa mongodi ya ka sehloohong wa SACP Freistata Teboho Kgwalenyane o re bohle ba nkgang lefothaketsong tsa bobodu ba lokela ho qoswa.
Haebaneng ho na le bopaki bo ka ba fumanehang hore ho bile le kamano in that direction.
Ditaba di sa eme jwalo moetapele wa Democratic Alliance lekgotleng la ketso ya molao Freistata David Janse van Vuuren o re ba ngolletse mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa ho latela mohato o abelwa ha dithendara tsa diphahlo tsa tshireletso ho diathoteng di bapile dipolotiking. Janse van Vuuren o re ba tla gakola diphuputso tsa bona.
The DA and the Free State Legislature are also investigating the awarding of all contracts regarding COVID-19. We are not just investigating directors, but we are also investigating the core business of all these companies. It's a disgrace to think that there are companies that's got ties with ANC that's enriching themselves rather than bringing some relief to the people and businesses in the Free State that's suffering under the virus.
Diphuputso tse ileng tsa gakolwa ke letona la mesebetsi ya setjhaba Patricia de Lille tse mabapi le ho hokelwa ha terata ya tshireletso e meutlwa le dibohong la Beitbridge di phethetswe, mme kgothaletso ke hore bahlanka ba phahameng ba lefapha ba 14 ba nkelwe mehato ya kgalemo. Eka bahlanka bana ba ile ba thunthetsa dipehelo tsa ho reka disebediswa nakong ya ho hokelwa ha terata ya bolelele ba dikilometara tse 37. Sephetho sa diphuputso se senotse ha ho bile le manyofonyofo a amangwang le bahlanka ba lefapha e ka sitana le ba abi ba ditshebeletso. Letona Dilele le kupile kantoro ya mohlahlobi e moholo wa dibuka tsa ditjhelete hore a fuputse tlaleo e tla fetisetswa mafapheng a molao. Dilele o re bohle ba molato ba tla nkelwa mehato.
It has, however, found a number of alleged procedural irregularities within the department, which will become the subject of my attention in the weeks ahead to tighten up the internal controls within the department. I wish to assure the public that I have every intention ensuring that any official who is being found guilty of wrongdoing will be dealt with in the appropriate manner and will be held accountable.
Mooki ya lemo di 57 wa Scotsburg KwaZulu-Natal o kgothaleditse ditlabotjha lekaleng lena la kalafo hore di shwele dikano tsa booki le ha o le thata ho le boima. Sister Tholakele Gumete ya tummeng ka ho bitswa Mabengu o kgothatsa bakudi tleliniking ka ho ba qabola ho thentetsa le ho ba binela. Ke dilemo tse 33 Gumete e ntse e le mooki. O re o leka ka hohle ho etsa bonnete ba hore baoki ba le maima le mathata a bona.
by me doing this, making them laugh, making them forget just for a minute their problems, I'm treating them psychologically and emotionally. When they come to me, they talk to me about their problems, that is emotional. Then physically, the pill that the nurse is having, the job for the pill or for medicine will be very easy, will be smooth sailing, because this patient is now psychologically and emotionally well.
Lekgotla la Mekaubere Afghanistan le tjhaeletse monwana ho lokollwa ha batshwaruwa ba 400 ba Taliban ka tshepo ya hore mohato ona o tla potlakisa mawala a ho phaphatha kgotso. Mmuso o se o ikobetse taelo ya Taliban ya ho tseka hore ho lokollwe ba bang ba batshwaruwa. Fela qaka ebile batshwaruweng bana ba 400 ba ne ba ntse ba le ntlwana tshwana. Kantoro ya Bolipi e hlokomedisitse hore ho ka nna ha ba le mollo wa hlaha dibakeng tse bohareng le bophirima KwaZulu-Natal. Hona ho hlolwa ke motjheso le moya. Boemo ba ditemperature bo ka nna ba fihla dikgerateng tse 32. Setsibi sa Bolipi Ayanda Nsele se re maemo ana a ka nna a ya ka theko hosane. Ntlha e bileng ka sehlohong ditabeng tsena, mokga wa ANC provinseng ya Gauteng o nyaotse ramotse wa phethahatso wa merafo Mmaphefo Letsie mme o laetse hore Boisimaneli a itukolle mosebetsing parlamenteng.
O ka ba yetela diofising tsa bona tse fumanehang 25 Magraaf Street, Westdene, Bloemfontein, kapa wa ba letsetsa dinomorong tsena 087 095 56.
Dumelang lebitso la ka ke Thabo, the bundle of joy Mokoti.
Dumedisa ke ngwana ke dikele dibakesene Lady Soski.
A re kopane re bitswa Skimsa Drive, re a kubeletsa afternoon drive.
Mamela se tete ke nane o lena mantsa ho fitlela ka la bohlano bekeng bakeng tsa hore e boraro le ya botshile.
Hala right now.
Inside Phakathi, I am witness.
Lesedi FM ke molelwa.
SABC will be launching an educational channel to help support learners to study remotely. The channel's robust PBA schedule ranges from
ke fitse taba ke tsena ka jeno grandpa e ke ka real steering mona re bua ka mohale wa sebele metswalle di kgaitsedi bomme boragadi le ba aisane moho le bonkgono ke bolela bo Taudi Misana a tse bophelong ba rona tse ikitlaetsang hore phamisa le hore matlafatsa dibakeng tsa rona di re phamisa jalo hore re ipabole ka magabane letsatsi le letsatsi ka jeno grandpa e keteka mohale wa rona wa sebele grandma ho wena grandma re o mosadi wa sebele re leboha boinehelo ba hao nepagalo. Happy Women's Day. Letsatsi le monate la basadi. Mosadi keteka ha monate ho tswa ho grandpa. Hasemohe mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM re hatela pele re ntse re tswela pele hopola kitse re tshwere jwalo mosadi wa sebele visual concert re a saka botlolo wa re tshwere dibini Miss T Nation re tshwere press re betse ya re tshwere Noxy ke nonkosi ba torotla ntho tsa bona tsa ba tumeng ka tsona kwano tshebeletso nya ratwang tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM o ka bela hape wa kena marangrang a rona a tshebeletso ya Lesedi ke na mani Facebook official Lesedi FM o ka re bona ka botlolo wa re etsa ntho tsena tse re tumeng ka tsona wa bela hape ke na mani ho Twitter @Lesedi FM o ka kena mane hape le YouTube o ka re bona ka botlolo wa wana mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM re tlo tla qala concert ya rona jwale ka ga hlakisitse gore ke visual concert re tlo bina re tlo tla basadi ho monate re tlo qala jwale ka sebedisa rona e leng Miss T Nation o teng ka kwano ke re hom le ena ga se ka khosolo kae
ona tele kae
re a phela o phetse hantle
a ka phela wena
a ke a phela ila re ha ba utlwa o tho o ya ho skuza bele o so ja koto ha kana
ka re ke tlameile ke lo representa basadi mo
Untso phetse hantle
ke ntse ke phetse hantle
ha mona you sort jwang COVID-19
yo
jwalo ka sebini ho etsala jwang ha o le je kana go ye go lutsi malapeng
o etsa diphephe tse dingata because le ka matlong as an artist ke etsela e re phelang ka yona akere so ka tlong you have parents ona le bana they expecting for every now and then o tla bontso o tswa or ke lo bina kae ke lo bina kae and every time ha o tswa ba utlisa for o tla ka itsinyana bogobenyana tafoleng wa bona so le di studio times tsa gona di limited ha khono ke ya ko studio o lo etsa more music wa bona but nna ke rata taba for e inspire a whole lot more because there's more coming
so o submitile wena jwala ka artist chelete tsa nza rona
ke na le management team o active hampe ba se ba dientsha on my behalf
okay ke a bona wa tlo wa ntwe se wetse ke ntse sela basadi ka jene pele ro fa menyetla gore o bine ho basadi ba Afrika Borwa o ka reng ho bona jwala ka re ketika nakonye e mahlonoko ya COVID-19
mosadi o senatla mosadi o montle mosadi o na le bogoni mosadi o ka iketsetsa mosadi iphelele
ke o taba mabede ke Miss T Nation ke ena tlo qalla concert ya rona o bula concert ya rona ya mosadi wa sebele ke pina feng o re qallang ka yona khaitsedi le go mhlomo ka re hlalosetsa rona go baneng yona
ke tlo qala ka pina ya ka ke intshitse 2 years back ke Thando
okay
intse le batho ba bangata ba se ba itse ba hana jale e teng on digital platforms okay download le music video wa teng pina e hane ke etsa ka tlasa diphephetso tse ke kopaneng le tsona even le tsa batho ba around nna generally tsa lerato
hey askis man askis mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM re qale concert ya mosadi wa sebele ka pina monate ya Miss T Nation Thando
dihambile mna difunile mna dabuza imibuzo ngendaba zothando kodwa ngithola impendulo hey ndashiyeka nixakekile hake mna indaba zothando sendiyaziyekela kodwa ngithola impendulo hey ndashiyeka nixakekile hake indaba zothando sendiyaziyeka wethando ungenza ntonina wethando ungenza ntonina indaba zothando I don't wanna have to do with them anymore
matters of the heart. I've had enough of them. Angisaqakekile manje, ayikesekwanele manje. Oh, ngifuna ukunwaba nami, ngifuna ukunwaba nami wethando. Sekwanele manje impilo mele iqhubeke wethando 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 ungeza ntoni na wethando inhliziyo
Ai wotla monate khaitsedi ya ka Miss T Nation Thando hopola mamedi wa tshebeletso ya lesedi ke metsotso jwale mashoba mabedi ya metsotso pile nga pile ra reng ya bobedi re tsere jwale mosadi wa sebele visual concert ke itse ke na mane marangrang a rona Facebook, Twitter moho le Instagram o ka bona taba tsena ka ofela di otlelo wa kwano me o ka romela hape le maikutlo ha o mane ho official Lesedi FM le ho Twitter jwale ka khaitsedi ya ka etsa ntho tsa tumeng ka tsona tsela pele khaitsedi ya ka pineng o rotlang ngwana ke efeng
Ibitswa OY.
OY.
Ya mahlaba phiyo ina.
O
A
reng?
ke re wa tsa rena le dimata tsa netse tse re hlabang ka lerumo.
Okay.
Ha re qeta ho furalana re qeta go ba ba mo kgotsi. O fihlang ka lerumo la na re tlepe ka lona ka morao.
Mametse tshebeletso ya Lesedi ya FM Miss T Nation OY.
It's killing me. Yangulala yanqeda lento. Ndathanda yonke impilo yam. Ngikubone bami umoya wami. No, uthando lwami. Kodwa libonanga. Kuwe namhla undijikele. Malanga ahambile, ahambile, ahambile. Liqingana, nalento endibonileyo. All the messages, the calls, the videos that you took together with her. Don't pull in Kizia. Oh, baby, good why? Why would you break my heart? Would you break my soul so bad? And collide and do me show, Mandy Bonisayo. Oh, she was like a sister to you and me. I trusted the both of you. I never thought the two of you would do me so bad. There's a done enough. There's a done enough. So the two of you would betray me like this, baby. Oh, she was a godmother to a kiss. God damn it, she was my everything. Young and dope and desire. Baby, Zanami, Seganami, and Kolaya, and Demisho, Nandi Bonisaya.
Tose monate tshebeletsong ya lesedi ya FM Miss T Nation au bana wa tla monate ke a tshepa mamedi wa tshebeletso ya lesedi mo lenteng o ntse natefetsa holo ko mamela mmino monate wa Miss T Nation ga itsedi ke utlwa ona le talente e makatsang o tlile ding ka mmino.
Yo, professionally I started 3 years ago, but way before then ntse ke le backing vocal for other artists and yeah, ke berekile artists tse dintsi tse tsagalang.
Hopole he mamedi ki seo ka kena mane Facebook official lesedi ya family o Twitter ra utlwa rena o reng jwale ka o bona kgaitsedi ya ka tsa ntho tse ntle tsa tumeng ka tsona ha ke batla o senya nako ke batla hore kgaitsedi ya ka dutse tjena o re o tlele pine nngwe pele o rotlela pine nngwe ke batla re hlaya mabenkeleng re tlo hlaya mabenkeleng ha re khutla mabenkeleng he re tlo tswela pele nna le wena mamedi wa tshebeletso ya lesedi FM ke metsotso e 20 yana le mosiromong pele re ya ho reng ya bobedi wa metse ke ya le wena mme re tshwere mosadi wa sebele visual concert mona he ke mo re tlisang dibini ho keteka letsatsi lena la basadi mona Afrika Borwa hopola he hore re ntse re tshwara pe press re betsa pe re tshware le Noxi ho tloba monate ha holo fela ke batla fela hore ke hlae fela ka mona ka mabenkeleng ke a khutla.
Dumelang lebitso la ka ke Thabo, the band of joy Mokoti.
Dumedisa ke ngwana ke dikele dibakesene Lady Soski.
A re kopane re bitswa Skimsa Drive re a kubeletsa after
pinya mona ke pinya ntho tsa ka mona ke tla raya he banda be ke tsamang le bona re ya mabedi wa tshebeletso tsa FM ko hoposa taba ke tsena ka jeno a grandpa e keteka real steering mohale wa sebele metswalle di kgaitsedi bomme boragadi le baaisane mo le bonkgono ke bolela bo Taudi Misana tse bophelong ba rona tse ikitlaetsang hore phamisa le hore matlafatsa dibakeng tsa rona hore re ipabole ka magabane letsatsi le letsatsi ka jeno grandpa e keteka mohale wa rona wa grandma ho lona bohle ba sebele ge leboha boinehelo ba lona ba popano. Happy Women's Day letsatsi le monate la basadi ke mofutu wa lerato la grandpa ke a tshepa ntho tsa ka di lokile he nka hlaka mabenkeleng. Ke batla o ya mabenkeleng man. Ke batla mabenkeleng. Oh eh. Yo lo tsaka television di bona ba dintho tsena go tla ka mona le ka mona. Ha ke batlo sane le rato phehlo wa tseba o sane ha ke batlo ngola report. All right. Ha re tswela pele he khaitsedi ya ka Miss T Nation re je se bona te khaitsedi ya ka.
Pine ke tletsa a cover song ya Whitney Houston. Re bitsa Run to You. Ke o mongwe wa basadi ba ne ba le matla holo mare o sa re sile le faseng la ka kwano. So ha re se ra senya nako. Run to You.
All right. It's what jwalo mshading se tshware jwalo ke a utlwa. Re qale fatshe hantle ho nona le selekela se ntseng se bapala ka morao ka mona. All right. O re watla pinela bina jwalo ke Whitney. All right. Run to You. Miss T Nation Holy City FM cheers away.
I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But if you would only take the time, I know in my heart you'll find a girl who's scared sometimes too, who isn't always wrong. Can't you see the hurt in me? I feel so all alone. I wanna run to you. Ooh, I wanna come to you. Ooh, would you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna come to you. Ooh, but if I run to you, ooh, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Each day I play the role of someone always in control, but at night I come home and turn the key. There's nobody there, no one cares for me. Oh, what's the sense of trying hard to find a dream without someone to share them with? Tell me, what does it mean? I wanna run to you. Ooh, but if I come to you, ooh, would you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from her? I wanna run to you. Ooh, but if I come to you, ooh, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Run away.
yo pipe tse kana kgaitsedi yaka mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM ke Miss T Nation a iwatla monate pile ile tumiso jwalo ke Whitney ere ha dutsa ntse jena botse ke metsonyana shebelena mesomeni pele ra o renga ya bo bedi ke a tshepa tore bapalla ya o qetela kgaitsedi e bitswang yona
bitswa Never Leave You ke entse le Money Nice Pule Mogorosi
o tlo bina le
hayo vandag dit is lina hai ke tla bina ke le mo Never Leave You
never no ro ke ba watlela
ke tisa ntwena
o sho jwale
ke fa sa ka le gap
Okay, Never Leave You ke pina ba bapallang jalo ke kgaitsedi ya ka Miss T Nation tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM take it away kgaitsedi ya ka
Khuluma ngawe ngizohlala ngithanda baby wow noma bathi ntoni na I will never ever ever never ever leave you noma bekhuluma ngawe ngizohlala ngithanda baby wow noma bathi ntoni na I will never ever ever never ever leave you baby, wow. Stand senhlizia ixesha lihambile bakabanga uba sizohlukana kodwa namhlanje vuma ndiyavunga so fast lahlane mna nawe baby sitale noma bekhuluma mibuzo ngemibuzo mina ndithi no angeke ndawo noma bekhuluma mibuzo ngemibuzo mina ndithi no angihambe noma bekhuluma ngawo oh baby why Koloma ngawe baby oh mungo baby wami never first time that I saw you you were the one is there any other boy like you no there's none hey ever since I met you I knew you'd be my husband. And today, this is what I'm saying. Nabatagati, they can take all they want, all they want. Nabagaringa, they can say all they want, all they want. Sister saw me, I could never leave, and there could never be another boy that makes the energy. See, you see the L-O-V-E that you need, you know I got it. The L-O-V-E that you want, you know I got it. My baby, please believe. Say no ma bekhuluma ngawe no baby why I will never no more go baby why I will never no, my baby, no, my. They can say all they want, they can do all they want. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I will never, ever, ever, never, ever leave you. No, my bekhuluma ngawe, ngizohlala ngithanda. Oh, baby, no, bathi yenza ntoni na. I will never, ever, ever, never, ever leave you.
Miss T Nation ra leboa kgaitsedi ya ka re leboa holo mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM a ba nna o tla ntho tse monate re leboa kgaitsedi letsatsi le monate la basadi
Holo wile nna thank you for having me
thank you mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM re ntse re tsama le tsona holo monate holo jalo o mametse ke ya le wena o tsama le schools are busy schools are bell ke monto di etselang teng re tshware festival le mona a visual festival ke a gola le shebile mono Homa Run jwale go thwe dijo di jowa ka baeti jwale ho tsebe jwale ntse re ja mona ha ntse re tsa ntho tsa rona re a leboa e ka re ntho ena ka etsa re gape na kwenyetlang re tsebe ho ja re sheba bona Facebook ke o bone Totliso Lephatsi a re letsatsi le monate ho bo mme a re leboa ntho tsohle tseo le go tshabeletswa le Lesedi FM e re etsetsa tsona. Jeanette Majosi o re ngoletse mona official Lesedi FM Facebook a re ha monate jwang festival ntlonyaka tsatsi le monate la bomme. Jwale ke ha ke ntse ke bala mona ke ntse ke fetolela ba ngotse Senyesemane ke a bona bana beso banna Zikhona Sunduza a re letsatsi le monate la basadi ke ba metse tshabeletso ya Lesedi FM a re Miss T Nation o re tshwere ha monate. Mpho Motloi a re letsatsi le monate re hlohonolofetse ke Miss T Nation. Ko bone Matros Winnie lena o re ngoletse mona official Lesedi FM a re ba metse tshabeletso e ratwang tshabeletso ya Lesedi FM ke mosadi wa Sebele visual concert ke monto di etsalang teng. Nna ba re jwale go tlobitsa press. Re tlobitsa press a etse ntho tsa a tumeng ka tsona a tlotla a natifisa ke a tseba batho ba mme ba morata holo press o santsa a eme miemo he a tlo re tlela tsona. Ke batlo senya nako wena mamedi wa tshabeletso wa Lesedi ke sentse ke ya ka botlowa ho press a etse ntho tsa tumeng ka tsona. Hopola hore mametse tshabeletso wa Lesedi FM re ha se ka maqhubu a 87.7 ho le bajalo 106.6 megahertz. Ha re eng online he.
I opened up my heart for you. I let you in, gave you all of me, and I hoped you would do the same for me. Maybe I made a big mistake. I should have walked when I saw the first signs. I should have known you'd hurt me and make me believe there was hope. And now I'm drowning, drown my own tears, baby.
Hoping the sun comes up and chases off the rain away.
Chases all the rain away. Loving you is like
chasing a rainbow.
Yeah, yeah.
I never get there.
I keep on running and running and running, but I don't get to you. Loving you is like chasing a rainbow, yeah, yeah. I never get there. I keep on running and running and running, but I don't get to you, baby.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So many sleepless nights trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong. I'm trying to retrace my steps and my ways so I could find my fall. I did my best, guess it was not enough. I gave my all,
guess it was not enough.
I gave my heart and soul, and all I got in return was this song. Oh,
drowning
in my own tears, baby.
The sun comes
hoping
and
chases all the rain away, 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 away. The rain away. Loving you is like
the rainbow.
Hey, yeah.
I never get there.
I keep on running now, but I don't get to you, babe. Loving you is like
the rainbow.
Oh, no, no, oh, no.
I never get there.
I never get there, 'cause I keep on running and running and running, but I don't get to you, baby.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Rainbow, I keep on chasing this rainbow. I keep running and running. I keep on chasing this rainbow. Oh yeah, no rainbow, no. I keep
chasing this rainbow.
Chasing this rainbow.
I keep chasing this rainbow.
Chasing this rainbow. Oh yeah.
With you.
Oh no, yeah.
Rainbow.
Oh yeah.
I keep chasing this rainbow.
Chasing this rainbow.
I keep chasing this rainbow.
Oh yeah. No. Help me sing, say rainbow. Hey.
I keep chasing this rainbow.
Chasing this rainbow.
I keep chasing this rainbow.
Oh yeah.
Rainbow.
Chasing.
I keep chasing this
rainbow.
I keep chasing this rainbow. With you. Rainbow.
Chasing this rainbow.
Chasing this rainbow.
Oh yeah.
I keep chasing this rainbow.
Oh yeah.
With you.
With you. Oh. Chasing a rainbow, yeah, yeah. I never get there. I keep on running and running and running, but I don't get to you, babe. Loving you is like chasing a rainbow, yeah, yeah. I never get there. I keep on running and running and running, but I don't get to you, baby. No. Chasing this rainbow. The next song is Naledi. La 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 la. La 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 la. Maqheka a fedile. Naledu sapakile thuto. Ari wa tsamaya. Ari wa nsiya. Hapa ke tseo wa se gitla. Ari ya keke I emela ntwen. Arusa utlwile. Naledi lerato la. Akube mi kotla fat. Ridule fat. Ribuisane. Naledi be mi kotla fat. Ridule fat. Rishebisane. Upilo ya Scansi ya Naledi. Ntwarele Naledi. Scansi ya Naledi. Ntwarele Scansi ya Naledi. Kikhumani kamawele. Oh yeah. Sotaka kia ditseba. Go force ditsekiniti. Me matswale ako bueli Naledi. Oh, kapari bitsa po malume. Keke kahona baby. Go force ditsekiniti. tshwarelo naledi ke go mami ka mangwele tshwarele naledi unsia le mang naledi no
And the next song is Ngike Kausia. Ha wa tla utlwa Sotho se monate. Utlwa.
Dabadi mahlong beba kunchebe o khona o bona hore monna enwa ka nnete wa o shwela ba ka dile ba mpua ba di bua ba repress hananete ba o sebela baby ska ba mamela ka nnete ke a gonna baby, umate milodi, sasoladi nonya na useng, baby, musadi abono, jwalo ka wena, o shoka tireletse, baby, so lihaba kampu, apare bansinya kia utebisa, ngeke kausi, baby, Ngike Kausi, oh, Kauti Saratolag, Ngike Kausi, oh, no, yeah, I promise, baby, Ngike Kausi,
Tshepisa.
Ha se mohe mamedi wa tshebeletso ya lesedi ya FM o ntsa tswela pele press ke a tshepa lona dimela mo nteng o ntse natefetse ko ja ka tsebe ena tshebeletso ya lesedi hopola he ke press a ntsa re natifisa ka mmino ka mora mone he nonko se sa ntsa memiemo ha re tswela pele le Presley.
Let's go. Bontate. A re hlokomeleng bomme. A re ba rateng. Re tlo bolaya bomme, re tlo shapa bomme. I stand against gender-based violence. This is an old song, 2004. My first single from my first solo album. Lebitso la yona ke Cry No More. Se kutlile ba ke ya mose. Ebile a ke sa lwana se ke ithulela fela.
Sitting here waiting for that phone to ring,
hoping he would call to say he's coming home.
He's out with his boys, not even thinking of you.
Probably drinking with some ex-girlfriend.
And when he comes home, he beats you up and calls you names.
But you hide it from your girls that he abuses you.
He's a lying, cheating, he don't deserve you. You belong right. You can't cry
no more, baby, no more,
baby,
baby, no more,
baby,
baby, no more.
You can't fight no more, no,
baby, no more, baby, no more, baby, no more.
You can't cry no more, no,
baby, no more, baby, no more, baby, no more.
You can't fight no more, no, yeah,
no more, baby, no more, baby, no more.
What has he done for you lately?
Except put bruises on a beautiful face.
He makes you feel he owns you cause he scares you.
Playing macho on a lady like you, like you.
What happened to the promise that he made to you?
He said he'd marry you and y'all would have a family.
He's a lying, cheating fool. He don't deserve you. You belong right here with me.
Can't cry no more, baby, no more,
baby,
baby, no more, baby, no more.
You can't fight
no more, baby, no more.
He don't deserve you, baby. No,
baby, no.
Show him the door. Show him the door. Show him the door, baby.
No more, baby, no more.
You can't fight no more, no, yeah. He don't deserve, no, no, he don't deserve, no, no.
Love was sent from above.
And only the Lord knows that I love you.
Your tears won't touch the ground.
I'll carry you through your lonely days.
Come rain, come sunshine.
I'll do all I can to keep you safe from harm. I'll be your answer to every little question. And
You can't cry no more.
Let's go. Ka Sesotho hape. Semona. Written by me and a boy from God Kokwazi. Goes like this.
Fifo si fihlile moyeng.
Hey, hey,
Rato lela haola mferikanyang.
hey, hey.
Ke kutlwa ke bipetsane my baby. ilwantana le maikutlo sena se morero a ke a se rala wantefula baby sena se morero a ke a se rala wantefula baby sena se morero a ke a se rala wantefula wana batho baby baby hey wantefula baby na wantefula baby no Wakakala Minahanong yakawa hanela Mihupulo yakawi hapile Mirerong yaka warena Sena se hakia serera hakia serala wantefula baby hakia serala wantefula nage hakia serala wantefula wana batu baby hey wantefula Sheba kama song How bonya baby no. Aki usheba kama song Pilu yaka Aki usheba kama song Wantefula baby no yeah Wantefula
ke press sabeletso nya le serie FM re wantefula ai wotla monate mamedi re tshwere concert ya marangrang jwale ka re dutse lapeng ele nakweni ya COVID-19 ke press ka mora mona mamedi uskala ka fetwa re tshwere Noxi Nonkosi o tla ba etsa ntho tsa tumeng ka tsona hey ha ke so bone botle bo bokalo ke bone le basebetsi morona ba teng kwano ke di monkwana ntate ho monate fela sabeletso na ke le serie FM hopola maqhubu rona ke 87.7 ho le ba jolo 106.6 MHz e re tlo fa a press a re bapale pina ha ya o qetela ka mora mone he be sentse go tlo itukisa re tlo kopana le Nonkosi press ha uwe mbanna
yeah ha o rata motho mo jwetsa tamela
ke kopa o tshwara ka letsoho
atamela ke o sabele
ke kopa o tshwara ka letsoho
atamela ke o sabele
ke kopa o tshwara ka letsoho
atamela ke o sabele don't you ever go away it'll always be this way
one fuba saka safu chumala ha ke o bona ke a kgotsofala ke utlwe ka reng ka hlokahala ha o se teng ha o felena na ke ipatlela wena fela ke a ba bona bomma bontle ba mahlong a ka ke
wena fela
Stiba litsatsi saka tokwano my love for you oh yeah
it's bigger than the world
bigger than the universe oh no yeah
it's bigger than the universe
it's bigger than the universe oh
it's a kind that never fails
oh way
we go bout try to get Atamela do sebele we go bout try to get Atamela do sebele we go bout try to get
Flashy cars bau palamises Palazzo fela haba kreta ba Na ki fatela musadi Omman khund ki fatela wena fela Ki abba bona bomma bunte ba Ashona ka ki
wena fela
Stiba litsatsi saka tokwano
my love for you
oh no
it's bigger than the world
it's bigger than the universe open
it's bigger than the universe
bigger than the universe oh
it's the kind that never fails
you go bout try to get come on come on who said that come on who foot you myself
Mametsi tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM ke press a ntsa rotlela mmino o monate mme ke utlwile jwalo ka o tseba tshebeletso ena Lesedi ke ka dilemo tse 16 o tlotla a phethela ka pina ha ebile a bua ka tshebeletso ena ya Lesedi mabedi ha ntlo di mohlo metsotso e 20 ka morara ya bobedi re hlaya mabenkeleng re a gutla
Dumelang lebitso la ka ke Thabo the bundle of joy Mokodi
Dumedisa ke ngwana ha ke dikele di magesene Lady Soski
a re kopane re bitswa Skimsa Drive re a kubeletsa afternoon drive
mamela se titse ke nane o lena mantsa ho fitlela ka la bohlano bekeng bakeng tsa hore boraro le ya botshile
halala right now
inside phakathi I am witness
Lesedi FM ke molelwa
SABC will be launching an educational channel to help support learners to study remotely. The channel's robust PBA schedule ranges from formal, informal to interactive learning. The SABC Education channel will be digitally streamed via the following platforms: SABC Education Portal, SABC Education Virtual Academy, SABC 1, 2 and 3's websites, and social media platforms. Check the SABC Education website for more information. SABC Education, enriching minds, enriching lives.
Negere go tlwise monate o ka kwano mabedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM ba yo tla ka wotlowa re fe press outlet pina ha ya o katela are thojana ya thesele hopola ba metse tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM
I'm going to do my last song. And I get to Janati Sale. Get a fellow woman by Tat. Who got out the joie. With or without makeup, with or with the weave, with the dreadlocks. Ule joie. Got the freckles. On tout le monde le joie.
ukgosatsana ya kweneng o na le dimrotsana ya ithobileng thojana ya thisele mahloma sweu wa hohela se ketlileng sefahleo wa rateha le hara batho wa tsoteha ka ntle le ka hare wa boheha sifubeng kima twadi ya mo-Afrika mahlakoreng ke masakana ka morao ke marala wana batho o hoto o bupeile o ka blompoto o tjhesa ho feta onto ke kana ka bostango ba tshwetse utlwa
mofumahane wa sebele ke motote mosadi wa mokhonte mofumahane wa sebele
mosadi wa sebele
ke motote
mosadi wa mokhonte ulisika la boreneng manna bokgaitsedi ya letsia jo small model le sahu bobotel ha o bonya wan le matsa lentswe le thobileng ha o bue ka ntsupina mino podileng la o ka nyamela dilimo ke tla o emela sefuba ke mafika twadi ya mo-Afrika mahlakoreng ke masakana jo ka morao ke marala wana batho o hoto o bupeile o ka blompoto o tjhesa ho feta onto ke kana ka boslango ba ntswetse
mofumahane wa sebele
mosadi wa sebele
ke motote
mosadi wa mankgonte
mofumahane wa sebele
mosadi wa mankgonte
mofumahane wa sebele ke motote mosadi wa mankgonte
mosadi wa mankgonte ke mofumahane
wa sebele
ke mofumane
ke motote mosadi wa mankgonte.
Everybody sing with me, say, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, your body, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, a little bit louder. Your body, na 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 na, oh na 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 na, your body, na 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 na,
Your body, na 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 na, oh na 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 na,
oh na na na, what? Hey,
your body, na 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 na,
na 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 na. Na 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 na. Kimufumani na na na, yeah. Hey, kimutotsi. Usari wa mankunteno. Happy birthday, Lisedi FM. Happy birthday, Lisedi FM. Happy birthday, Lisedi FM. Uhule, uhule.
Happy birthday, Lisedi FM. Happy 60th birthday. Thank you very much for the support. Happy Women's Day. Thank you, ladies, for taking care of our kids, taking care of us, taking care of the world, actually. And I did say in my lifetime, I would like to see a female president. So, this was my show. Lisedi FM, thank you very much. God bless.
ke press mamedi wa tshebeletso wa Lesedi bile a re lakaletsa ka tlao le mahlono wa tseba le monsena ga ke tika dilemo tse 16 mamedi pele re tlo tswela pele Noxi mo kamedi wa tshebeletso wa Lesedi mme Mamutaung o teng kwano ke re hom lena mme Mamutaung le kae
re tswa hole excuse me re phela ka
re a phela mme Mamutaung
re tswa hole ka nnete
pele re ka ka baka letsatsi le monate he ka jeno ke tikile hantle
ha holo ke ne ke na le bomme barwetsana banana kore monate o mokana
o taba se monate mamedi wa tshebeletso wa Lesedi o mametse mohlomong o batla utlwa mantswe a tswang ho wena jwale ka re ke tika letsatsi la basadi
haholo ke la ka tsa fela hore ho momamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi re lebohe bophelo ba me Sophie the Brain o ntse a phela dilemo di 82 mme ka yena hobane o ne a le teng o khathile tema eno ya bomme re lebohela bophelo ba hae ho tla bonahala ho rona setjhaba sa Afrika Borwa hore na re hlokometse mme Sophie the Brain jwang mme re tla tswela pele ha o le jalo re a lebohahle le bomme ba se ba le siyo lefatsheng bomme Lillian Ngoyi nka bua ka bo mme Winky Direko nka bua ka bo mme Motlalepule Chabaku nka bua ka bo mme Winnie Madikizela Mandela nka bua ka bona kaofela re lebohela tsohle tseo ba di entseng hore ebe ha re le tjena re yeme empa ka o fetisisa ke rata o leboha wa tseba batho bana ba entse Lesedi le be betere ka jeno e leng Ausnoxi le ke Ausnonkosi ke Nonkosi ba mmitsa Noxi ke a le Mistake Nation ke ba leboha haholo ke qetelle ka press wa rona bathong re leboha haholo le re entse batho me re le leboha le nako ena e o le phileng yona ya hore le tlo etsetsa momamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi monate ke mo re yang teng hona jwale radio e se le tjena henkunyana ha re bua ka fourth industrial revolution re bua ka ntho tse ka ntsena ha isa tla ba fela ka studio empa momamedi o se a tla ba le monyetla ono wa hore a fumane dintho jwalo ka ha di le tjena mme ha re felle mo ho ketika dilemo tse 60
le nnete
re sa tlo etsa tse ngata tse tshwanang le tsena tse etsahetseng ka jeno
ntle le mokete o mamedi wa tshebeletso wa Lesedi o tla utlwa tse ding hape mananong a mang a fapaneng a o re a leboha
ha ona botle bo fetang bono
rona re leboha tataiso ya lona jwale ka le tshwere mme mosebetsi o motle re a leboha
amandla
wa thinta bafasi
wa thintimbogoto
ke le ba Mamutaung
ke le wile ha o le skuza ha re natufelweng
tanki ke mokamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi mme Mamutaung jwale re tlobisa Noxi ya ke batla le monyolle ka nthwane ya ka bana ke utlwa thabang re bana le etsa jwang bana cheza yes Aye. Yes. e o tla monate mamedi wa tshebeletso ya lesedi ntle le tshenyano ako re bitse Noxy.
She gave, kneeling by her bedside, I can still hear Mama say, the people are depending on you, Noxy, don't you let them down. I remember Mama in a happy way. My brothers and sisters, they're living fall apart, yeah. And although my mama's gone, she's right here in our hearts. We're gonna stay together and stay in the holiness, yeah. I remember Mama in a happy way. We went to school with holes in our shoes, yeah. We didn't have much, but the Lord saw us through, yeah. Mama kept the family together, yeah. I remember Mama in a happy, yeah. I remember Mama, yeah. kanjani umzi wami bazakhuliswa ngoba nabantu bami engiyekele nabuye ekhaya yekele nabuye yekele nabuye indoda ekhaya yekele nabuye ekhaya yekele nabuye yekele nabuye indoda ekhaya nayazi anithandi indoda yami nithanda ubuhle bakhe nithanda imali yakhe nemoto zakhe anithandi indoda yami nithanda ubuhle bakhe nithanda imali yakhe nemoto zakhe nochitha njani umzi wami bazokhuliswa ngoba nabantu bami nochitha njani umzi wami bazokhuliswa ngoba nabantu bami yekele nabuye yekele nabuye yekele nabuye indoda ekhaya yekeleni yekele nabuye yekele nabuye indoda ekhaya yekele nabuye indoda yami yekele nabuye yekele nabuye indoda yami akabuya kudada bezingane zami. Bontate kgutlelang hae bomme ba setse le bana that was a song yaka originally ke dedicated to bomme kaofela ba etsang mosebetsi o thata wa ba ntate wa ba mme ka malapeng re na le lona. We love you as your children, we adore you, you are our superheroes. Ra leboha. Ungiphula inhliziyo, I made it okay to live on your lies. Oh, I made a mistake when I put you upon it. Yeah, Mara, it's okay, 'cause my chusujala, coming in sujala. Hey, ungiphula inhliziyo. Yeah, I made it okay to live on your lies. Oh, I made a mistake when I put you upon it. Yeah, Mara, it's okay, 'cause my was sujala, coming in sujala. Hey. At first thought I was the one, now I know I'm the side chick. When you broke down my walls, I felt like being bitter about it. Tell the whole world the truth on how you mistreated me. But I realize now, Senkulile, be a better woman like my mama raised me. Suck it up, was a cooler. Journey on a good soldier. Write it in a letter form. Oh, by yeah, yeah, yeah. ngiphola inhliziyo. I made it okay to live on your lines. Oh, I made a mistake when I put you up on it. Yeah. Mara, it's okay, 'cause my joy so jola. Nothing is so jola. Hey, you get pulling dizzy. Oh, yeah, yeah. I made it okay to live on your lines. Oh, hey, I made a mistake when I put you up on it. Yeah, Mara, it's okay, 'cause my joy so jola. Nothing is so jola. My mama said, never let anyone treat you like nothing. And daddy said, if you gotta pull a trigger, make him baby. My brother said, don't forget him, he is a fool. While everybody's staring at me, see baby, don't you faint, it'll be okay. I know you are grown, but soon you walk again. Sticks and stones may break your bones, but fix your focus and get your own. But baby, don't you faint, it'll be okay. I know you are grown, but soon you walk again. Sticks and stones may break your bones, but fix your focus and get your own. Oh, pulling busy, I made it okay to live on your lines. Oh, I made a mistake when I put you up on it. Yeah, Mara, it's okay, 'cause my joy is so jola. Nothing is so jola. Hey, you get pulling dizzy. Yeah, I made it okay to live on your lines. Oh, yeah, I made a mistake when I put you up on. I put you up on. Mara, it's okay, 'cause my joy is so jola. Nothing is so jola. Ngizo jola. Nothing is so jola. Nothing is so jola. Nothing is so jola. Thank you.
Yo. Noxy. Ho jwang kgaitsedi ya ka? A monate a re bua ka pine e bitswang
Nhliziyo.
ke utlwa o bua ka gore le wena o tlo jola. Ho no etsalang ha o tla qapa pina?
Ke siwe potelong nna ntse ke nana ke a jola ka ntse.
Au sia kgegela. Au sia
O sia teng.
Au. Mara re thusa he ga fumana pina e monate.
Amen.
Noxy o motho a sa tsebeng ka Noxy ke mang o tswa kae o qadile ding ka mmino?
Nonkosi ke ngwanana wa Botshabelo, ke kene dikolo Botshabelo, ke holetse Botshabelo. Ke qadile ka music khale ho tloha ke le ngwana, but this is my 18th year professionally. Nonkosi o rata ntate modimo, o rata lelapa, o rata lerato, o rata batho. Ke ena fela ntho nka le jetsang ka yona.
O thabela o bitswa mang, Noxy kapa Nonkosi?
Ha ntse ke tla ke ntse ke le khulu ke ne ke ipitsa Noxy.
Oh, okay.
Mara no ke utla ka re ke hodile, so ke kopa o bitso ka lebitso la ka Nonkosi.
All right. Ho bomme ba mametseng tshebeletso ena le Sedi jwale ka letsatsi la basadi o reng ho bona?
Batho ba bomme tlamehile ba tsebe hore ka ntle ho bona ha ona lefatshe. Ke bona ba tlisang batho lefatsheng. Ka ho ke bona ba etapele. Because ke rona re nang le lerato, ke rona re nang le mamello, ke rona re nang le tlhokomelo. And ho bomme kaofela be leng hore ba ne ba utlwisitse bohloko batho ba change. Ha o tlile bohloko wa change ba motho o mong. Fela ke lakatsa hore ke jetse batho ba bomme hore peu e nngwe le engwe ho tswa wena hore na o enisetsa ka tsela e jwang hore o tlo kgona ho bona ditholwana tseo wena o batlang ho di bona. So ke kopa bomme kaofela ba nang le mamello le lerato ba tiise mosebetsing wa bona.
Ha re tswela pele kgaetse di concert di tswela pele go fa pine feng ha jwale?
The next song ke Owami waka.
Okay. O la hluwa so thotse motho wa.
Ke
ke re tsamaya jwalo.
Okay, kgaitsedi.
Let's vibe under the moonlight. Hey, let's vibe under the moonlight. Hey. Ndifuna ukwenza wami bang. Hear me out, musundixosha, usundimosha. Ndifuna ukwenza wami bang. Ayikho indlela akekho munye, akekho munye. Ndifuna ube You make me wanna be the best one. You make me wanna save my last dime. Do things right. You make me wanna change my past life. Star girl with the best. Hey, hey, last one. You make me wanna put up a fight. One more time, take the flight. Hey, let's vibe. Hey, let's vibe. Hey, last one. You make me wanna be the best one. You make me wanna save my last dime. Do things right. You make me wanna change my past life. Star girl with the best vibe. Hey, last one. You make me wanna put up a fight. One more time, take the flight. Hey, let's vibe. Let's vibe. Let's vibe. Hey, aqua man dumbasan. Aqua man dumbasan. Can't tell me. Koshanga la la bafan. Koshanga la la bafan. You can't tell word. I get konga fana now. I get konga fana now.
Kgaitsedi, re setse ka metsotso e robedi jwale re a tsamaya. Mme ke a tshepa o tlo re bapalela pina ya go qetela. Fela re le tshebeletso Lesedi FM re leboa kaofela, Miss T Nation re leboa press, re leboa le wena. Mme se re tsamaya le family ya Lesedi jwale. Re tsamaya le lona jwale tsela jwale tsela ye o tla ntho tsa hao ka teng kgetse re lebile haholo, mme jwale ka utlwile mme Mamtaung a hlakisitse hore se re tsamaya se re tsamaya tjena mme Mamtaung hai
Ke ke hlabeha.
Mamtaung
Kore ho tle hore ha re bua ka ho hodisa talent.
Yes.
Ebe ha re bui fela hore re tla ba etsetsa di-concert.
Yes.
Moya o le mongata ho lonkunyana.
Mme.
Ke mosebetsi wa
Yes, mme Mamtaung.
Ke mosebetsi wa lona.
Yes.
Ke mosebetsi wa di-compiler. ha re batle go ba utlwa fela ka jeno ebe ba re etseditse sena so ba re etseditseng
Re a leboha.
sona ha ebe ntho ya ka mehla ba tle ba tsebe go gola
E le nnete.
ha ba sa bapalwe ke lesedi empa re re ke bana ba rona re reng go bona nna ke a le tshepisa ke tlo ikisa ha ke sa utlwe pina tsa bona ke tlo ikisa ka record library ka mane ka go bofinzo
Yes.
ke ba botse gore ha ke utlwe dibuhu di dire noxi ha ke utlwe
Miss T.
dibuhu di dire Miss T ke tlo e botsa
Yes, ma'am. Do.
ene re tlamehile re ahe bana ba batho Freestata ke ya rona re tla aha boma re batla ho ya KwaZulu-Natal re lo lata tlamehile re qale lapeng mme ba tla holela ka hara lehae lena e leng Lesedi FM.
Mme ba Motaung ba bine ka Sesotho, ba bine ka Sesotho.
ntho e nngwe hape he eo ke kopa ke le nkutlwile ha e sale ke bua Sesotho jale rona re Sesotho se fashioneng
Yes.
pina tseo ha ditle hore bana ba banyane ba tsebe hore le ka Sesotho he o ntso ba styling o ntso le dope
Ka leboha, mme ba
Ke a
Motaung.
leboha.
Ka iketse. Mamedi wa Tshebeletso Lesedi re ntse o lekane he re tla tjana nakong e tlang Noxi o re fa pina ya hae ya ho qetela ha ebe tse o kgotso. Dankie ho fedile.
Say, I bet you think this song's about you. I bet you thought you'll pull me down. You think you're one of a kind. Say, I bet you think this song's about you. I bet you thought you'll pull me down. You think you're one of a kind. I've seen it all. When nobody really cares for you after the storm. My wings are ready to fly. I'm a warrior. I can do whatever, be whatever. I'm a warrior. I'm a superwoman. I am a warrior. I can do whatever, be whatever. I'm a warrior. I'm a superwoman. You thought it would end when you were not there. Only when you left, it was all in your head. I can declare I'm at my best. You thought it would end when you were not there. Only when you left, it was all in your head. I can declare, see, I've seen it all. Hey. When nobody really cares for you after the storm. Hey, my wings are ready to fly. I'm stronger. Hey, I'm stronger. Yeah, I'm stronger. I'm stronger. I'm stronger. Come on, say. Everybody at home, if you feel the love, what is it, Rato? Come on. Yeah, highlights and core. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government yard and trashed out. Oba serving the hypocrites. as they mingle with the good people we know. Hey, hey. Good friends we had, good friends we lost along the way. Hey. In this bright future, you can't forget your past. Wipe your tears, I say. No woman, no cry. Everybody sing, say. Come on. No woman, no cry. I said no woman. Come on, say. You little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Yeah. One heart, one mind. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and all will feel alright. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Yeah. One heart, one mind. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and all will feel alright. Don't go see the building signing up. Thank you to City FM.
Dumelang lebitso la ka ke Thabo, the band of joy Mokodi.
Dumedisa ke ngwana ke dikele dibakesene Lady Soski.
A re kopane re bitswa Skimsa Drive, re a kubeletsa afternoon drive.
Mamela setete ke naneo lena mantsa ho fitlela ka la bohlano bekeng bakeng tsa hore boraro le a botshelela.
Hala right now.
Inside phakathi I am witness.
Lesedi FM ke molelwa.
SABC will be launching an educational channel to help support learners to study remotely. The channel's robust PBA schedule ranges from formal, informal to interactive learning. The SABC Education channel will be digitally streamed via the following platforms: SABC Education Portal, SABC Education Virtual Academy, SABC 1, 2 and 3's websites, and social media platforms. Check the SABC Education website for more information. SABC Education, enriching minds, enriching lives.
SABC Online gives you added access to your SABC that is beyond radio and TV. Stay on the know with the latest news and sport. Be updated with the weather. Navigate through your favorite TV and radio stations. Be clued up with your educational needs and get more info about your TV license. Follow, like, watch. SABC Online.
Get all the latest news from the SABC's online news services on our website. Breaking news and in-depth coverage of everything from business, sports to politics and lifestyle. Catch the top news clips and watch live streaming of major news events on the SABC News YouTube channel whenever. Stay connected on the SABC News Facebook page and have your say on news that matters to you. And for the latest headlines and live updates from our reporters, follow us on Twitter. SABC Digital News, anytime, anywhere.
Halala, dumela momamedi, ke Thuli Baby, tulwana moletsane ka sebele. Mamela lenaneo la Mathimalodi, mantawisa la bohlano bekeng. Mona wa ithuta, re o fa lesedi le boithabiso. Ho tloha ho renya borobong, ho fihlela ho renya 12. Kopana le nna hona teng moo.
Lesedi FM ke molelwa.
Mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM ke Squeeze Bell ngwana bo Regina Bell khaetse ya Phethile Bell kopana le nna moqobola o molong le sonta se seng le se seng o ke ya loe hata di ansa o tloa ka ora le shimele metsimedi mosia re fitela ka ora ya brao re ya dansa tete ya kwala ho monate fela sonta re ketlile mmino go monate ebile kana le kgetho ya hao jwale ka mamedi wa tshebeletso ya Lesedi mo re bapalang pina tse hlano tseo di ratang jwale se fete ke tsa molemo se fete ho hang mamela tshebeletso ya Lesedi FM le Squeeze Bell ka po ngwana
Lesedi FM ke molelwa.
Bonati Breakfast Show, Monday to Friday, 6:30. We are on 9 o'clock.
Ebana rona thosa le batho kada mantsa o tlela la bohlano jalo ka sa chulo khaitsedi aka o tlo ja monate the biggest morning drive ho Lesedi FM.
La o se le baletsa di papadi hlongwane so ke di tshwere mantsa o fitla la bohlano 6:30 o fitla la 11:30 o seng ke re di a tshesa baba di fresh di boleng di na le ju
ayo ba ke monate breakfast show mantsa o tlela la bohlano re a baba nta
aye rifi molale top molale aye
Lesedi FM ke molelwa.
SABC Education launched an educational channel that can be accessed via YouTube live stream from Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. Now people ask, how can I watch the new SABC Education channel? These are the ways to access the SABC Education channel online by way of a live stream on mobile. When you open the YouTube app, on the top right, search for SABC Education. The first thing should be the live stream. On desktop, when you enter youtube.com, in the center search for SABC Education. The first thing will be the live stream on the latest from SABC Education shows section on the SABC Education website. Go to the sabceducation.co.za website. On the homepage on the right, you will find the live stream section. The stream has also extended to SABC 1, SABC 2, and SABC 3 websites and social media sites. The streaming services has also incorporated across all SABC websites in the form of advert banners for users to engage at all times. Extra information about the stream. The live stream has a live chat where students can ask questions to the teachers and get feature help. Also, the teachers can ask questions as well. SABC Education, enriching minds, enriching lives.
Dumelang lebitso la ka ke Thabo the Band of Joy Mokoti.
Dumedisa ke ngwana ke dikele di magazine Lady Soski.
A re kopane re bitswa Skimsa Drive re a kubeletsa afternoon drive.
Mamela se titse ke nane o lena mantsa ho fitlela ka la bohlano bekeng bakeng tsa hore boraro le a botshile.
Hala right now.
Inside Phakathi I am Wellness.
Lesedi